Delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp without unblocking. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp without unblocking. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open the WhatsApp app and here tap on these three dots in the top right corner. Then tap on settings. Here tap on account. Then tap on privacy. Now here scroll down and here tap on block contacts. So here there is no option to delete the contact without unblocking. So what you can do to delete it, go back and search for the name of that contact. Now press and hold the contact and tap on delete chat and tap on delete chat. And also you can check this if you want to delete all the media and all of that, and tap on delete. Now open your phone contacts and search for that person here, and from here also delete the contact. And now that person will be deleted without unblocking on WhatsApp. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.